Good morning students. In the previous video, we have completed the chapter electrochemistry from standard 12 state board. Now, today's lecture we will start with the new chapter from 12 standard chemistry state board syllabus, that is P block element or group 16, 17 and 18. So this is our next chapter, group 16, 17 and 18. This group 16, 17 and 18 from periodic table belongs to P block. So these elements are called as the P block elements or representative elements. In this element, the valence shell electron enters in the P subshell. Therefore, they are called as the P block element. Outermost electron enters into the P orbital. Therefore, they are called as a P block element. Now, group 16 elements. So, group 16 elements are called as the chalcogens. These elements includes, first one is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So, these are the elements which are present in group 16. May I repeat which are the elements? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So, no need to mug out the elements. So, in brief, you can use your own tactics to remember the names. See here, OS, SETEPO. So, which short form we are going to use? OS, SETEPO. So, this is the short form that I have prepared to remember the group 16. OS, SETEPO. That is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So, these are group 16 elements. Out of these first four, OS, SE and TE. These four members are, that is ore formation. So, these are ore formation elements. Next one is, if you see the next group elements, group 17 elements. Group 17 elements are called as the halogens. All halogens, already we are familiar with the halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. See, F, Cl, Br, I and At. These belongs to group 17. Group 17 elements are called as the halogens. Group 18 elements. Group 18 elements are inert gases. Which are the inert gases? First one is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Corresponding to that, the atomic numbers are given 2, 10, 18, 36, 54 and 86. Why they are called as the inert gases? Because their valence shell is completely filled to the capacity. It contains 8 electrons. Therefore, these are called as the inert gases. So, in this chapter, we have to discuss these three group elements. Group 16, 17 and 18. 16 are called as the chalcogens, 17 are halogens, 18 are called as the inert gases. Now, occurrence of this group 16, 17 and 18 elements. If you observe the group 16, oxygen forms 46.6% mass of earth crust. Our air contains 21% of oxygen by volume. Sulfur occurs less abundantly, 0.03 to 0.1%. Combined form of sulfur. Sulfur mainly occurs in the form of gypsum, that is CaSO4 2H2O. Gypsum, then Epsom salt, MgSO4 7H2O. Byrite ore is there, BaSO4. Then sulfides form मध्ये zinc blade ZNS, galena PbS and copper pyrites CuFeS2. So these are in combined form. Sulfur is occurring in the form of gypsum, Epsom, pyrite, in the form of sulfides, zinc blade, galena and copper pyrites. Also our onion, day-to-day life, onion, garlic, eggs, protein, hair, wool, these also contain some quantity of sulfur. Selenium and tellurium occurs in metal selenides and tellurides or sulfide ores. Polonium, last element of group 16, it is a radioactive element. So, this is the occurrence of group 16. Occurrence of group 17 element. See, group 17 are halogens. From halogen, fluorine occurs mainly as insoluble part in the form of fluorides or fluoride ores, that is fluorospore in the form of fluorospore CF2, cryolite, Na3AlF6, fluorapatite, apatite is there, that is thrice Ca3PO4 twice CF2. In these three forms the fluorine is available. Also the small quantities of fluorines are present in soil, freshwater plant and bone and teeth of the animals. Sea water also contains chloride, bromides and iodides. Sodium, potassium, that is K, Mg, magnesium and Ca, calcium forms. However, which mainly chloride, bromide and iodides, mainly sea water contains NaCl 2.5% by mass. The deposits of dried up sea beds contains sodium chloride and carnallite. What is the formula for carnallite? KCl, potassium chloride, MgCl2, 6H2O. Seaweeds also contains 0.5% of iodine. As chili petter salt, it contains 0.2% of sodium iodide. Astatine, which is the last member of halogen family, it is a radioactive. So this is the occurrence of group 17. What is the question based on? Generally write the MCQ is there. Fluorospar, CF2, cryolite, Na3LF6. What is the formula for fluorapatite? Thrice Ca3PO4 twice CF2, like that. Carnallite is KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O. So these are the MCQs are based on the occurrence part. If we continue for group 18, the main commercial source for group 18, that is helium. Helium is a natural gas. Helium balloons already we know. So helium is a natural gas. Helium and neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin. Pitch blende, monazite, cleavite. Then xenon and radon are the rarest elements of the group. Radon is the decay product of radium Ra226, so it is a radioactive. So these are the occurrence of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. After this, the next concept is electronic configuration for group 16, for group 17 and for group 18. See, for group 16 elements, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Atomic number of oxygen is 8, sulfur 16, selenium is 34, tellurium is 52, polonium is 84. What is the configuration? If we write it in details, the configuration is orbitals are sp, like that. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So this is the electronic configuration for oxygen. 1s2, it is the configuration for helium. So inert gas for 1s2 will be helium and brief configuration will be 2s2, 2p4. For sulfur, atomic number is 16. Configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. If you observe the outermost configuration, it is 3s2, 3p4, which is underlined. So up to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, it is the configuration of inert gas neon. So the brief representation will be neon 3s2, 3p4. Selenium 34, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then after 3p6, 3d10 orbitals are there. Then 4s2 and 4p4. So argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p4. This is the electronic configuration for selenium. For tellurium, again the configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, then 4d10, 5s2 and 6p4. So krypton 4d10, 5s2, 6p4. This is the configuration for tellurium. And for polonium, if you observe, the brief representation will be xenon 5d10, 6s2 and 6p4. If you observe the brief representation of electronic configuration, then you will observe that the valence shell contains the configuration 2s2, 2p4, then 3s2, 3p4, 4s2, 4p4, 5s2, 6p4, 6s2, 6p4, like that. So in general, we can say that the general electronic configuration for group 16 is ns2, np4. So it contains total 6 electron in its valence shell, ns2 and np4. So this is the electronic configuration for group 16. Continue with the electronic configuration for group 17. Group 17 are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. So if you observe the brief representation for electronic configuration, we are write down that only. So helium 2s2, 2p5. Now for group 16 it is 2s2 2p4. So for 17 one more electron will be there. So 2s2 2p5. Then chlorine, neon 3s2 3p5. Argon 3d10 4s2 4p5. Krypton 4d10 5s2 6p5. And for astatine it is xenon 5d10 6s2 and 6p5. If you observe the general electronic configuration for group 17, then for group 17 the configuration is NS2 NP5. So it contains total 7 electron in its outermost shell, and it requires 1 electron to complete its octet and to achieve the stable electronic configuration. So electronic configuration for group 17 is NS2 NP5. And which are the elements which are present in group 17? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Continue with group 18 element electronic configuration. The first element is helium having atomic number 2, He2. Its configuration will be 1s2. And remaining elements of group 18 are neon, atomic number 10, configuration will be helium 2s2 2p6. Then argon, atomic number 18, configuration will be neon 3s2 3p6. Krypton 36 is the atomic number. Brief representation for electronic configuration is argon 3d10 4s2 4p6. Xenon, atomic number is 54. Krypton 4d10 5s2 and 6p6. And last one is radioactive radon, atomic number is 86. Xenon 5d10 6s2 and 6p6. So this is the electronic configuration of group 18 elements. If you observe the general electronic configuration, it is NS2 NP6. Total NS2 and NP6 means it contains 8 electron in its valence shell. Therefore its octet is completed. Therefore these are called as the inert gases. So this is about the electronic configuration of group 16, 17 and 18. May I repeat again? For group 16 NS2 NP4. 17 NS2 NP5, and for group 18 NS2 NP6. So 16 group element contains total 6 electron in its valence shell, 17 contains 7 electrons, and group 18 contains total 8 electron in its valence shell. So its octet is completed. Now continue with the next concept, that is physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. Though which are the physical properties like atomic size or ionic size, or we can say atomic and ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electron negativity. So if you continue with the physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements, first one is atomic and ionic radius. In the group 16, 17 and 18, atomic or ionic radius, it increases down the group as a result of increase in number of quantum shell, because as the atomic number increases, the electron is added in a new shell. For example, in 16, suppose it is 2s2 2p4, then 3s2 3p4, 4s2 3p4, 4p4. So as the atomic number increases, on moving down the group, atomic and ionic radii goes on increasing as there is an increase in number of quantum shell. Across the period, if we move from left to right across the period in periodic table, then across the period atomic and ionic radii decreases with increase in atomic number. Why it is decreases? Due to increase in effective nuclear charge. What is effective nuclear charge? It is the force of attraction between positively charged nucleus and valence shell electron. As from left to right, effective nuclear charge increases and therefore electron will pull towards the nucleus, and therefore across the period atomic or ionic radii decreases. Group 17 elements, halogen, have smallest atomic radii in their respective periods. So this is the first property. In brief, we can say on moving down the group, ionic and atomic radii increases across the period from left to right, the atomic and ionic radii decreases. Second property is ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? It is the energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron of an isolated gaseous atom. So that energy is called as the ionization enthalpy. The group 16, 17 and 18 elements have high ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to increase in atomic size. So on moving down the group from top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases, while across the period from left to right in periodic table, ionization enthalpy increases with increase in atomic number. So these are the two properties related to atomic ionic size and ionization enthalpy of group 16, 17 and 18. Next property is electronegativity. What is electronegativity? It is the ability of an atom of an element to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. So electronegativity in a group 16, 17 and 18, electronegativity decreases down the group. Oxygen has highest electronegativity next to fluorine amongst all the elements. Halogens have very high electronegativity. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. So amongst the halogen, fluorine is having highest electronegativity, while from group 16, oxygen is having highest electronegativity. Then next one is electron gain enthalpy. In the group 16 and 17, electron gain enthalpies becomes less negative down the group. As we move down the group, electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative. However, in the group 16, oxygen has less negative electron gain enthalpy than the sulfur due to its small atomic size. In halogens, that is in group 17, fluorine has less negative electron gain enthalpy than that of chlorine. This is due to small size of fluorine atom. In group 18 elements, inert gases or noble gases, they don't have tendency to accept the electron because of their stable electronic configuration, and thus they have large positive electron gain enthalpy. So for group 18 they are having positive electron gain enthalpy, while for group 16 and 17 the electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative on moving down the group. So these are the four physical traits or physical properties of group 16, 17